चलो सी, ब्लू से तो दिखता नहीं है ना। देखो लास्ट क्लास एक फॉर्मूला थोड़ा रॉन्ग हो गया था, दिस वाज रॉन्ग एक्चुअली, मीन्स दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, बट दिस means this is for a plus b whole cube and this is for aq plus bq, aq plus bq, and if you want like to get aq minus bq, aq minus bq, then a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Correct? All formula you should copy at one place, so you should not get any problem like during the revision. Now if you want to get a minus b whole cube, means aq minus 3ab, here all will be minus. Correct? Same thing, but here all will be minus, remember. So if you open this one, is equal to aq minus 3ab a square b plus 3ab square minus bq. Getting? Achha, this all copied. This two at least copy, this three line. If copied fast, see question number 1. See here, saying this is exercise 4.1 of your NCERT textbook. Correct? Saying first question, check the whether following are the quadratic equation or not. We know a quadratic equation will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and equal to 0 also. If equal to 0, then only you can say it is quadratic equation. If it is p of ax square plus bx plus c, correct, then it is quadratic polynomial. If it equal to 0, quadratic equation, if p of x is equal to something, then quadratic, this is quadratic polynomial, this is quadratic equation. Correct? So we should check this should be in the form of a quadratic equation. Now see, open this. So a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. What is the formula? X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to, this is 1, 2x minus 6, 2x minus 6. Now bring same variable term at one side, same variable at one side. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x and 6. Actually not same variable for the simplification we should bring all same variable for one side, but here all term bring this side because you should form here equal to 0. Getting? Now plus 2x minus 2x get cancel, got cancel. What it mean? X square minus, see, plus 1 minus 6, how much? Plus 1 minus 6 is minus 5 is equal to 0. Correct? Achha. Now say, is it this one is quadratic equation or not? Matches with that. Is this one is quadratic equation or not? Think. See, quadratic will be called, can I write x square plus 0x minus 5 is equal to 0? Is that any difference between this and this? Both are same only, right? There is no difference. So we should see this term. If it is a square, if highest degree is 2, then it is quadratic. If highest degree is 2, then it is quadratic. So of course this is Yes, this is quadratic equation. Getting? This one copied, right? Question number 2. What is that? X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 3 minus x. Say what right here? Speak faster. Minus 2 into 3
Minus 2,
and minus into minus plus. Or you should try to speak how much ever you are bad. Simply sitting quiet will not work here. So x square minus 2x. Bring this side minus x, this side.
plus 6.
Getting? Now x square 2 minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is also a quadratic equation. See question number 3. X minus 2 x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 x plus 3. Getting? So this multiplication, you know, 1 with all. 1, 2, 3, 4. This work number 1, work number 2, work number 3, work number 4. This I drawn as one before also. Now see, multiply x into x, x square plus x into 1, x minus 2x minus 2. This I do x into x, x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Getting? Now bring all the term this side. Bring all the term this side, or one more thing I'll say. Here also 2x. Here also 2x. Yes or no? Here also plus 2x. Here also plus 2x. So if both side is same, if I bring this side, this be converted to minus and get cancelled. True or not? Means instead of writing here cancel, can we cancel here only? Why to waste one more line? Understood what I told? If we bring also this side plus, so this side will convert to minus. Yes, na? So this plus and minus will get cancel. True. So instead of cancelling here, we can cancel here only. If both sides sign is same. If both sides sign is same, we should cancel there only. So see, x square and x square same. Cancel. Now any more thing is same? No. Correct na? Simplify then. Plus x minus 2x. Plus x minus 2x. How much? Minus x. Here 3x minus x plus 2x. Now bring all the term this side. So minus x minus 2x minus x minus 2x minus 3 plus minus 2 na. This minus 2 and this one plus 3. Now this is minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. In this, see, there is no square. There is no square. So this is not a quadratic equation. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now do question number, which one?
4th.
4. Question number 4. X minus 3, 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. Getting? Yes or no? So x into 2x, 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. Now 2x square minus x square is x square. See, plus x minus 6x minus 5x. अरे plus x plus 1 minus 6 minus 5 and again minus 5, so minus 10x. Then here just minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is yes, because you can able to see here square is there. Question number 5. Two x minus 1 x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 x minus 1. Correct? Multiply it. 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 is equal to x square minus x plus 5x minus 5. Correct? Bring all the term this side. So 2x square minus 6x minus x. Actually you can simplify here only. See, this is minus 7x plus 3. Bring this all term this side. So minus x square. This is how much? 4x. This is this side minus 4x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now 2x square minus x square, how much? X square minus 7 minus 7x and minus 4x minus 11x plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is also yes. Copy it all. True. Now open it. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, here a minus b whole square formula. So a square minus 2ab. So 4x plus b square. So 4. Again cancel. X square term cancel means directly it is no, because why to simplify? Just because question are asking it is quadratic or not. Question number 7. Here cube came. Here cube. So what is the formula for cube? See backside your notes and say. Correct. A cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. Yes sir. Now multiply here. 2x cube minus 2x x into x into x square is cube and 2x into 1 is 2x. How 3 will come, man? All are sleeping only. Sit proper at least, gada. Morning came, half of the class is sleeping only simply. That time I am saying to reply, but wow, giving it. What you are doing, man? What you are thinking yourself? Whom time you are wasting? Instead of replying here, something you can reply. This kind of question also I am solving. Don't learn now. What you will take off mind? So this is x cube. See, this is 6x into x plus 2. This is plus 8. 2 cube is. See, nobody know 2 cube is how much? 4. This class is recording. If somebody seen which kind of people is learning here, don't know 10 standard people who don't know 2 cube is how much. He is saying 4 also after writing. Which level you are studying and where you are. Bring all the term this side. So x cube plus multiply here 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus 2x cube, correct na? This side plus, this side minus. This is plus 2x is equal to 0. Now x cube and minus 2x cube, same variable, right? So minus x cube, yes or no? Then plus 6x square, 12x plus 2x plus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now here highest degree is what? Cube, 3. Highest degree is 3. So this is not quadratic, this is cubic. This is not quadratic, this is cubic. Getting? So this one you can't say as a quadratic. Correct? Next question number 8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Correct? Just this side open first. A minus b whole cube is there. See what I told formula? A cube minus 3ab, 3 into x into 2, 3ab into a minus b, so x minus 2, correct, minus b cube is 8, 2 cube is 8. Here x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, correct. See both sides same, can we cancel cube? Both side is plus x cube. If you bring this side will be minus, directly cancel. Now simplify here. Minus 4x square plus x plus 1 is equal to, here this is 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 6 into x, 6x square minus 6x square and minus into minus plus 6, see 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12x minus 8. Getting? Bring all the term this side. So minus 6x square plus x plus 1 plus 6x square minus 12x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now see minus 6x square and sorry this is 4, right? 4 na? So minus 4 plus 6 plus 2, so 2x square plus x minus 12 plus x
minus 2.
how much? Plus x minus plus 1 minus 12, or 12 minus 1 11, then plus 1 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 0. So here a square is coming, so this is,
Yes.
it is a quadratic equation. All done? If not copied, see once I am reading. Area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Area of rectangular plot, rectangle, right, is how much? 528 meter square. Acha, the length of the plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. 1 more than twice the breadth. What is that? Length. Length means this. Length means this. This is L, this is B. Now saying length of the plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. So I am assuming breadth is x. Breadth is x. If breadth is x, 1 more than twice the breadth means 2x plus 1, 1 more than twice the breadth. See, 1 more, did 1 more, and twice also. Understood how to form the equation? Now write this one. Let breadth is equal to x. Let breadth is equal to x. Acha. If breadth is equal to x, length is equal to 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. 100% specify unit. Specify unit. Now saying area. Area is equal to what? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So L into B is equal to x into 2x plus 1, x into
2x plus 1.
अच्छा, area how much given? 528. So right here 528. Simplify now. 2x square plus x. 2x square plus x. Bring this term this side. So this side plus, this side minus 528. So this is your quadratic equation. Understood? If they are saying to find length and breadth, like pakka you should find the value. So just you should split the middle term. Split the middle term, you will get the final answer. Understood? And split the middle term I have taught. Correct? Chalo, next question. He is in comma only, right? The question like if 20-30 people are there in the class. Correct? So morning completing the session is too easy. Because half of the children will be sleeping only. Do the question fast, syllabus over. And nobody will ask question also. You keep speaking something, they will be arams sleeping. Right? So no question, no doubt, keep saying. All will be in the comma only. See, this is product of two consecutive positive integer. Product of two positive consecutive integer. Correct na? So what it can be? If one is x, other will be x plus 1. Correct? This is called positive consecutive integer, means regular. Regular means one is x, the other one is x plus 1. Now saying their product is how much? 306. So find product. X into x plus 1 is equal to 306. This is answer.
306.
What is that, man?
Sir, what is the process?
Process? I told na, right? Let first positive integer be x, then second positive integer be x plus 1, then their product is this much. So x square plus x is equal to 306, means this one bring this side. So x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This is your answer. Next, saying Rohan mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan mother is 26 years older than him. So let Rohan's age be x year. Then mother age. Mother is 26 years more. 26 years elder than Rohan. 26 years elder than Rohan. So x plus 26. Are yes or no? Think na, your age is how much? 14? You are 16. 16 is running, not stopping.
Next is stop.
Acha, tomorrow.
Next.
So your mom age almost
34.
okay, whatever. So your age plus something, right? Are yes or no? So mother age be x plus 26. Now question is saying the product of their age 3 years from now. 3 years from now. So this is the percentage actually. This is the right. Let percentage. Correct. 3 years next. What is saying? 3 years later. Rohan age will be how much? Now your age is 16. After 3 years it will how much? 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3. So now your age is x. After 3 years, x plus
3.
3 years next asking na. Now your age is x. So after 3 years, x plus 3. Mother age. Now age is x plus 26. After 3 years, x plus 26 plus 3. We will add in 3 in that also, right? How much become?
29.
X plus 29. x plus 29. Acha. Now saying product will be 360. Their age product is
360.
360. So multiply x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. Done. Now simply multiply x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 9 3 ja 27, remain 2, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 2. Is it correct? Correct. Is equal to 360. Now bring this term this side. So x square plus 29 plus 3, 32. 32x, and see this will bring this side, means this side plus 360, this side minus 360. Yes, na? So how much it will be? 360 minus 87. How much become? 3. This is 5. 5 minus 8. 15 minus 8.
15 minus 8.
Now not say. 15 minus 8 how much?
8 is running, sir.
अरे गधा.
7, sir.
So fast man, right? Understood? See what question saying. A train travel a distance of 4 km at uniform speed. 480 km at uniform speed. So total distance is how much?
4.
Total is given 480
Kilometers.
kilometer. Acha. If a speed has been 8 kilometer per hour less. Correct. If a speed like from some point to some point is going on some uniform speed, but saying if a speed was 8 kilometer less, means if before a speed was x kilometer, before a speed was x kilometer, now a speed is x minus 8 kilometer. Correct. Think before a speed was 100, now a speed is 92. 100 minus 8. So saying if the speed has been 8 kilometer per hour less, then it would have taken time 3 hours more to cover. Means if a speed is less, of course it will take more time to cover. Right. Saying find the speed of the train. Find the speed of the train. Acha. So let speed be x kilometer per hour. Before, this is saying before, right? X kilometer. Acha. If a speed is x kilometer per hour, then time will be how much? How to find time? How to find time? Then time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. Remember this triangle. DTS. DTS. See, distance is equal to time into a speed.
Speed.
Time is equal to distance by a speed. See, division. This is division. Time is equal to distance by
Speed.
speed. Speed is equal to distance by
Time.
time. Speed is equal to distance into speed. What I'm saying? Distance is equal to time into a speed. Correct. So remember this line as a division. This line as a
Subject.
T is equal to D by S. S is equal to D by T. D is equal to T into S. Correct. Yes or no?
Sir.
If you remember this one, this formula will be easy for remembering full life. Acha. So time is equal to distance by speed. Sorry, distance by speed. Yeah, correct. So 480 by x. 480 by x. Now saying a speed is 8 km per hour less. Speed is 8 km per hour less. So new speed is how much? X minus 8 km per hour. Yes, na? 8 km per hour less. So whatever speed was there, in that I removed 8. Now what is the time? Now what is the time? So time is equal to D by S. So D distance is same only, 480 kilometer only. So 480 by x minus 8. Correct. Here also we get time, here also we get time. Now saying time was 3 hour more. Time was
3 hours more.
means if train runs at lesser speed, time will be taken
More.
more. Yes or no? So how to form the equation now? This is the before time, this is the
Now time.
new time. Yes or no? So from the new time, if I remove this one, is that I will get 3?
Yes, sir.
Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Before it was some hour. Before it was some hour. Now it is 3 hour more. So from new minus, I am doing old one. It should equal to 3 hour because that is only more coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Huh?
Sir.
So do that only. So 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. This is your required equation. Now you should just simplify. How will simplify? Take the LCM. Take the.
LCM.
How will take LCM of x minus 8 and x? Any idea? I told you this all thing before also. If you can't able to take, simply multiply. Means x into x minus 8. Process is same only. Divide downside to downside. Divide downside denominator to denominator. So x minus 8 divided by x minus 8. 1. Correct now. 1 into x is x. So x into upside term. So 480 into x minus. Same, divide denominator by denominator. So x get cancelled. What remain? X minus 8. So x minus 8 into 480 is equal to 3. How 0 came, man? Is equal to 3. Now you can multiply and you can simplify. Will you do this also? I should do.
Yes, sir.
Can you able to do 480x minus 480x minus into minus plus 48 into 8 it is 64. Okay, but this see, this term I taken this side, so this side division, this side multiplication. So 3 into x minus 8, x into x minus 8, 3 into x into x minus 8, and here multiplied 480x, 480x. Now see, minus x first is there, minus x into 480, so minus 480. Acha, now minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, and plus 8 into 480. So 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64, remain 6. 8 4 is 32. 32 plus 6, 38. Correct? 1 0 is there. I put a 1 0 there. Yes or no? Now say plus 480 minus 480 over. Now 3840 is equal to 3x square minus 24 minus 24x. True? Now take this from this side. 3x square minus 24x minus 3840. This is your required quadratic equation. Understood? So this is your quadratic equation. Exercise number 4.1 is over, completed. From tomorrow we'll do 4.2. Correct?